Hey, Jonathan here at TopSaw. Today I was going to show you the greatest chainsaw for a tree climber of all times. Let me just show you what I was doing here. Let's see if I get in the background. I'm working solo, so that's part of my problem. It's this gigantic oak behind me there that went up over the house. And I took that whole limb off, roped and rigged it, and then blocked it out, all with a Stihl 200T with a 14-inch bar. And that must be a 16-inch cut on the bottom. And not only that, the very last cut actually had a nail in it. So here, let me turn the camera around. So without a doubt, that's got to be it right there. That's Stihl 200T. I've had this saw forever. But man, this is the way they used to make them. This block right here. See, that's not possible to take off with the climbing saw. Look at that right there. You can see that nail. It's an old tree fork. There's the block right there. And there's the 200T. So that's the last block I took off. I don't know, maybe 12, 14 feet long. I'm climbing solo, so nobody could swap out a bigger saw for me. So I wouldn't have done it otherwise. And not only I hit that nail, and then I thought, gotta close. I don't want to come down. I don't know if there's anything worse in the world than climbing out of a tree to get something. So there's my last cut. Here's the oak here. Kind of going up and out. Let's see, there's a house. So there's the limb that came off. There's my climbing rope way up there. You kind of get an idea of that block. Another day of tree work, and it's good to be alive. So there's the oak. I don't really have a good video. I'm working by myself. I was going to tripod it, but there's enough going on. I do have one more limb to take off. One big limb over a deck, but I think I could do it from the ground in a pull rope. I'll wait till I get somebody to help me with that one, and then I'll knock that down and put on this video too. But this is Jonathan at TopSaw. I just want to point out possibly the greatest chainsaw of all times, the Stihl 200T. I know you can buy them used, but I feel like this has got myself in a bit of a pickle today, and the MS 200T got me out. This black oak right here, it's a big fork over the roof and the deck. And then I got a throw line up in the top. Give that thing a pull. And we're hoping to pull it enough as I cut it to keep it off the deck. See how this goes.